Okay, so now we have some passing unit tests, but let's unpack this a little bit. So say for instance you want to create more tests. So now I want to say here touch more, I want to say test.more.js. So now I've added another test file, and what I need to do now is I need to link this, because I want to go in here and I want to say test more.js. So if I run this now, you'll see nothing much is happening because there's still nothing in my test. So if I create in a unit test in Mocha, I start off with a describe function. So now I want to go here. If I call the describe function just like that, if I run this, see nothing happens, but what you'll see, there's an error here. It's suit argument title, and now I want to give it a title. So now I'm going to say the more test. Okay, so go in there, run that. So now it's focusing. The more test was defined, but no callback was applied. So the callback is the function that we put in here. So what will happen here? The describe is actually a function provided by Mocha, and that takes two parameters. The one being description, and the other one being a function that it's calling. So now I've given both. I run that. Nothing's happening. So now I say here I need to do the it, Control Z, it, again the same thing. So let's go here. If I run this, you'll see again it's missing. The more test should be able to check something for me. So if I do that, I run this. Okay, so now it says running, but it's blue, so pending, because it didn't take in, we didn't give it a callback. So if I go in like this now, function, I go in, I run it, see now it's kind of all working, but there's nothing, not doing anything inside. So what I can do now is I can put an assert in there. Come on, Control Z, assert dot equal. Now I can check 1, 2. So now I can check what's happening. So now I've got a failing test, because what's happening here, I'm checking whether 1 is equal to 2, which is clearly not true. If I make this like this, I refresh, then it's working, and it's also telling me that's a set that's passing. So in this new test, what we had to do is we needed to create a new file in here, link this test to our test suite here. So what's going to happen if I comment this out, you'll see that the more test doesn't exist. So if I uncomment that, it will work. If I misspell this, refresh, you see error file not found, because this is not called this, like this is called like so, test.more, I save this and I refresh, and now everything is running. So in here you'll note that there's functions that Mocha defines, which is describe, which takes a description, and it takes a callback function. This is a code that it will execute, and then inside of there I can write more tests by adding more it functions, and I can also should be able to check something else for me. In this case I can say 7. I run that, you see now that one will be failing. So this way you can add more tests. Inside of a describe block you can add more each statements, and each it will become a test in my unit test. So that's how the Mocha structure works.